Here's a 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan. Turn the ordinary of the everyday into an adventure every day with a versatile and fun Tiguan. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: automatic transmission, manual tilting steering column, streaming audio, manual telescoping steering column, wireless phone connectivity, external memory control, aluminum wheels, fold-into floor seat, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com notes climate and audio controls are well placed and intuitive, particularly the latest generation of the touchscreen interface. Volkswagen, performance you'd expect with the precision of German engineering. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call, click, or stop into Napleton's Volkswagen of Sanford today. We're conveniently located at 4175 South Orlando Drive in beautiful Sanford. We look forward to serving you.